So let's discuss the best education plan you can get for your kids. So dito sa AIA Philippines, where the company I represent, no, you have two options. No, you first need to decide ano yung mas gusto mo. Do you like an endowment plan or a VUL? So yung endowment plan, it gives guaranteed payouts. No, depende sa schedule niya. So depende, different companies may different designs ng endowment plan. So yung endowment plan namin sa AIA Philippines, it's called AIA A+ Signature. I have a separate video for that, full-length video about it. Right? So simply gives a regular payout every 2 years starting at the end of year 6. So kunyari yung anak mo ngayon, bagong panganak lang, let's say 1 year old. So at the end of year 6, 7 na siya. Kahit 7 years old pa lang siya, mag-start na yung payout every 2 years for the rest of the life of the insured. So kung ikaw yung insured, so for the rest of your life. Kung ang insured is yung anak mo, so for the rest of the life niya hanggang pagtanda niya. Yes, no, tama po. No, so nakadepende sa age ng insured. So maganda talaga kung yung bata yung insured. And maganda kunin mo to kung may separate ka ng life insurance and health insurance. So again, balik tayo doon. So sa A+ Signature, it pays out every other year. So every 2 years. So meaning kung age 7 pa lang yung anak mo, nag-start ka na makatanggap, so parang grade 1 pa lang yun, meron ka nang nagagamit for grade 1 and then grade 3, grade 5. So meaning grade school pa lang, and then high school, senior high, hanggang mag-college. And even postgraduate studies, magagamit mo tong A+ Signature. Alright? So ang minimum niya na face amount is 500,000, 10% nun, which is 50,000, yun yung payout every 2 years. Alright? So depende sa budget, pwede mong taasan yung face amount para mas malaki yung 10% na ma-receive mo. No? So ang minimum nito would be around 65,000 a year, so mga 5 to 6,000 a month. So for me, best option talaga to kasi ayaw nating sinusugal yung education ng anak natin. Diba? I also have 2 kids. So, kumbaga gusto natin, we make sure na may money na naka-allot for future expenses. That's why we invest and save for the education funding of our kids. Alright? Kung hindi pasok yung budget or gusto mo yung mas risky ng konti, yung pwedeng malaki din yung potential na maging kita, then you go for VUL. So we have our VUL, actually any type of VUL you can use for education ng anak, pero syempre dun tayo sa mababa lang insurance charge. So usually, ang ginagawa dyan para mababa ang insurance charge, yung anak natin yung insured. So kapag bata yung insured, maliit lang yung insurance, mura lang yung insurance charges, so nag-earn ng maganda yung pera. The product that we designed for that sa AIA Philippines is called Future Scholar. I have a separate product review for that. So si Future Scholar lang, actually hybrid nga yan ng guaranteed. 50% of what you paid for goes to the guaranteed amount, 50% goes to VUL, so ini-invest siya. Kaya siya gusto ng marami dahil nga at least may guaranteed part pa rin, parang kalahati, siguradong tutubo ng konti at makukuha ko during age 18 nung bata, 18 to 21, so tama-tama pag nag-college na siya, right? So tapos yung kalahati, i-risk ko, hopefully kumita ng maganda para mas mag-grow pa yung pera ko. So, depende sa risk appetite mo. Gusto mo ba yung sure na may payout ka tapos habang bata pa lang, or willing ka to risk, no, or probably because of the lower budget, no, si Future Scholar, no, the lowest na amount niya is about 20,000 lang a year, tapos meron siyang 5 years to pay lang. So, mabilis lang yung matapos, maiksi lang yung commitment. No, si A+ Signature, ang lowest niya is about approximately 65,000 a year, tapos 20 years to pay yun. So, understandably, no, 20 years to pay kasi nga ang haba talaga ng benefits niya. No, it will start early after year 6, tapos magbe-benefit ka hanggang even tapos ng pag-aaral, no, because the money that you will get, you can decide wherever you wanna use it. Hindi siya pangbayad lang ng tuition. Alright? Pwedeng pang travel nyo in the future, pang retirement mo pag nag-retire ka na. So, mixed use siya. No, si Future Scholar talagang pang education siya kasi ang payout niya mag-start pa lang at age 17 or 18 nung anak mo. Alright? So, pag nasa college na siya. dun mag-start yung payout ng future scholar. Wala siyang earlier payout, no? So pag withdraw mo earlier, no, so lugi ka, no, just like in anything naman, kahit time deposit yan, may mga penalties if you withdraw early, no. So ito, you really use that for this purpose. Alright, so I have videos here in my channel specifically for these two products. You can search it, you can find it. If you need a quotation, let me know kung alin yung mas gusto mo, endowment plan ba or VUL. No, send me a message, go to my Facebook page. Just go to facebook.com/DJ Dimaliwat Official, and I'll be needing your full name, your birth date, occupation, and then para masend natin ng quotation kung magkano, ano yung napili mo, and then of course details of your child para siya yung gawin nating insured. Kasi nga again, para kung mas kumita ng mabilis yung pera, hindi mataas yung insurance charges. Now, if you want to be insured on your own, no, meron tayong separate products for that. No, I can also serve you with it. So I'll wait for your message. No, see you again soon.